Okay, we are at liquid here, so we are going to go ahead and lift up our chip. Hit our fans, and we are good to go. So we got a good chip lift. All the pads look good. We didn't tear anything apart. Got some nice solder there to go with. Let's flip our chip over and take a look. That is a beautiful looking chip. Let me get a focus on that. Alright, so we got some very nice pads on that chip. A very nice lift. Very little pad separation. And that was pretty much a beater GPU, but it came off pretty good. We were pushing a good 200 and probably 205, 210 degrees on the chip, and we got a pretty decent lift right there. So we'll preheat that board and we'll clean that up and see how that all came out.